that whenever, there's people here that are seasoned, have more information, have been, getting educated over time. But in the beginning stages of this, there's creative acquisitions, and there's also putting together creative deals, right? Because there's money that has to be involved. So he didn't really do a creative acquisition on this property, but he did put together a creative deal so that the deal works and he doesn't have to put a lot of money into the property up front. So those are two separate strategies, but have a lot to do with acquiring or putting a deal together. So you've got to put all these pieces and parts together and find out, okay, how can I be successful doing this, and what are the things that I need to be able to do in a way that are going to put me in a very good position to make money on this property. Because if he wouldn't have done something creatively on the money, he may not have decided to put that. If he would have had to put all the money in, that may have changed his opinion of doing this property. So he did a creative deal using money from other people, so his own money coming out of the pocket is not that much. We also like to do creative acquisition strategies. So this person that doesn't really value education wants to go out and hustle deals and do wholesaling other people's properties, versus going out and finding out, well, how do I be that person getting the property under contract, and why I can sell that property and make more money on it. What do you think she made on an assignment?
She told me her assignment fee was $800.
So she made $800 because she doesn't value education, right? Now, probably this property was acquired for, what did you find on the record?
Well, this is what it is. We did a double close. So basically, we closed before the wholesaler was there. So